Hello guys, good morning. How are you today? Hope you're good, you're okay. And I hope that most of you already got the book. Okay, good morning Katia, good morning Genesis, Aratza, Justin, Angel. Hello everyone. And let's be ready to work. Yesterday I was waiting for your, haven't finished. Remember at the end, the book is opening. Okay. Please type your name and the word present on the chat box. I mean here, type your name and here on the chat box, please. Okay, Emilia, no, not worry. Angel, Maria Jose, Genesis, Juan, Iker, please, your cameras on. Remember your cameras have to be on. Where's my pen? Not here, well. Thank you guys, the ones that are finishing. Here it is. There we are. Okay, guys, continuing with the activities that we were doing on the last class, on the welcome part or zero unit. Let's wait. Remember, we already start to use the book, so please try to get the book as soon as you can. Okay, as soon as it's possible for you or for your family, try to do it. Oh my God, it's taking too long. Okay. There it is. So you also had an activity for today, which was related to the homework number 3, which was a video, right? Some of you have sent me that video, so I need everyone to do it. Remember, the homework is for today. That means until 3 p.m., that it's my working hours. I'm gonna be receiving your videos and checking your videos, okay? Remember, you have to send a video related to your daily routines, what you do and all that, and presenting it in 60 seconds of video, speaking or talking, right? So we are on page 1. I think we finished all these activities yesterday. Well, not exactly. It says match Victor Scott. Match the questions with the answers to make mini dialogues. I think we did that activity. And here we are. We are going to describe and we are going to start working about weather conditions. Okay? So I want you to watch a video. Oh my God. It's taking too long to charge. Wait a second. We are going to check some vocabulary for using when we talk about the weather, if it's hot or if it's cold, okay? So we are going to decide that right now. Victor, I need your camera on, please.
Number 1, sunny.
When there's plenty of sun, we say the weather is sunny.
Number 2, freezing.
Freezing is when it's very cold, like that.
Number 3, snow.
Snowy.
Number 4. Rain.
There's rain, we say the day is rainy, right? Rainy day.
Number 5. Hot.
Hot is not only cold, not only hot, or it's not only like there's a lot of sun, there is also dry, right? So it's hot.
Number 6. Foggy.
Foggy, this is the one we find when we go to highlands, when we travel to Quito, when we travel to Cuenca. There we see a lot of fog around, and it's very difficult to see with the fog.
Number 7. Cloudy.
So we have a lot of clouds on the sky. That's why we say it's sunny.
Number 8. Cold.
Cold. Then we use a jacket when it is cold.
Number 9. Thunder.
When there is a storm, when there is a stormy type of weather, we see this. The sound, which is a thunder, and the lightning, which is what we see.
Number 10. Cool.
Cool is less than cold, but not really hot. It's like fresh. Pay attention to the screen, please. You have to be
Number
paying
11.
attention to the video. Hail. Hail, it's like little pieces of ice that comes from the sky. There's raining, but of ice, not raining water, but raining ice.
Number 12. Windy.
We have a lot of wind. It is called windy. Look at that windy weather.
Number 13. Storm.
There are two types of storms. This one, which is like a blizzard, like a called storm, or we can have the bad weather one, when there is rain, lightning, and thunder. Like a lot of rain.
Number 14. Lightning.
Lightning, did you see that flash on the screen? Those short spans of light will be lightning.
Number 15. Hurricane.
The hurricane, it's like colossal winds moving around or spinning around, but these ones are created in the ocean. Hurricanes are originated in the ocean and they start moving to the land. Right, so we were able to check several words related to the vocabulary of weather we are going to use right now. So let's go back to our book. And here we're going to be checking many of these weather. Let me try to make it bigger for you. There it is. We have different cities like Miami, Rio, London, and Oslo, right? And Istanbul. So, what kind of weather do you love, like, or hate? Draw a happy face, a very happy face, a happy face, or a sad face next to each one. So, work on that part, guys. And this is something you have to do it on your book. Remember, if you don't have a book, you need to send a picture of the activity on a paper. This weekend, I'm going to start checking one by one all the activities you sent, and all of them have to be there on time, okay? So whenever we say it's sunny, it is a good, it can be happy or very happy type of weather, okay? So I will need Maeva to tell me, do you love, like, or hate sunny days? Tell me, love if you make this very happy face, like if you do only the happy face, and sad if you hate that weather. When the day is sunny, do you like, love, or hate, Maeva? Tell me, please. Sorry?
It's happy face.
Okay, so tell me. I like sunny days.
I like sunny days.
Excellent, thank you. Matthias, what about warm days? Warm. They are warm, but not hot, but they are warm. So Matthias, tell me, do you love, like, or hate warm weather?
I like.
Complete sentence, please. I like warm weather. Repeat, Matthias, the whole sentence, please. Matthias, can you turn your microphone on and read all the sentence? Okay, no, Matthias can't. Aratza, tell me, please. Do you love, like, or hate humid? Humid means it's like Guayaquil. There's rain, a little bit of rain in the morning, and then in the afternoon, it's hotter, a lot hotter, because that water is evaporating, right? So, Aratza, tell me, please. Do you like, love, or hate humid weather?
Love.
You love it? So you like Guayaquil's weather. That's nice. Remember, we need to make the whole sentence. Aratza, can you repeat, please? I like humid weather.
Lo que usted dice.
You said you like, right? You like, I like humid weather. Repeat, please.
I like your
Humid.
humid
Humid weather.
weather.
Good, excellent answer, thank you. Angel, freezing, when something is freezing, do you love, like, or hate freezing weather?
And like the freezing in the Guayaquil.
Okay, you would like that in Guayaquil. Yes, me too. It's very hot all the time. So tell me, please. I love, you said love, right?
No, like.
Like,
not
okay, so
love.
I like freezing weather.
Yes,
Repeat, please. Complete
I
sentence.
like freezing weather.
Excellent. Katia, tell me, please. Do you love, like, or hate wet weather? That means it's like rain and another rain and another rain and another rain and so on.
I love
I love wet weather. Good. Thanks, Katia. Genesis, please. Tell me, what about cold weather?
Teacher, can you read in the chat, please?
Sure. Ah, okay. Yeah, I get that. Thanks, Genesis. Okay, tell me, do you like love or hate cold weather?
I had windy. I had windy. What?
Thank you, Genesis. Juan, tell me please, do you like, love, or hate rainy weather?
Like,
Complete sentence, please. I like
I like with
rainy weather.
rainy weather.
Thank you. Justin Jaramillo, tell me, what about, do you love, like, or hate hot weather?
Like, I like hot.
Weather.
I like hot weather.
Excellent. Thanks, Justin. Now, Justin Castillo, tell me, do you like, love, or hate hot weather?
Hate.
I hate hot weather.
I hate hot weather.
Excellent. Me too. I hate it. Okay. Unless I am on the beach or something. So, Genesis, tell me please, do you like, love, or hate cloudy weather?
I like
Complete sentence, please.
cloudy weather.
Thank you. Julio, do you love, like, or hate windy weather?
Perdón, Miss, ¿puede repetir que no le escuché?
Do you love, like, or hate windy weather?
Like.
Complete sentence, please.
I am like with the weather.
Good, thank you. Victor, what about dry weather? Do you love, like, or hate dry weather? Dry, it means no rain, right? No raining, no water. Tell me, Victor.
Like, miss.
I like
I like
windy.
windy weather.
Thanks, Victor. Emilia, it was dry. Foggy. What do you think about foggy weather? Do you love, like, or hate it? Foggy. What about foggy weather? Emilia, can you talk? Because I don't know if I can listen to you. No, it seems like you have a problem with microphone or connection. Maria Jose, tell me please, what do you think about foggy weather? Do you love, like, or hate?
Like
Complete sentence.
like foggy weather.
Good. I like foggy weather. I really don't like, I think I hate foggy weather. It's kind of dark. Okay, guys, so it says, listen to the weather forecast. No, speaking. Yeah, we said that. Listen to the weather forecast for UK. Tick, make a tick on the weather words in exercise 1 that you hear. So have ready your pencil. When you listen, check on the vocabulary word you listen. Let's go.
Welcome. Page 5. The weather. Exercises 3 and 4. It will be a cold day in the north of the country, with temperatures around 8 degrees Celsius in Manchester. It gets better the further south we go. In Birmingham, it will feel quite warm, with maximum temperatures of 16 degrees Celsius, and in London it could get up to 20 degrees Celsius, which is very hot for this time of year. The skies over London will be clear and sunny with very few clouds. It might even feel a little humid. It will also be dry in Birmingham, but it will be a little cloudy at times too. But back up north, I'm afraid it's not going to be a very nice day. It will be very windy in Manchester, and those winds will bring a lot of rain. So, if you have to go out on this rainy day, don't forget your raincoat and umbrella. It will be very wet.
Okay, there we checked several words, right? I found wet, I listened to cold. So let's listen one more time so you can identify all and every of the words from the vocabulary that are mentioned.
Welcome. Page 5. The weather. Exercises 3 and 4. It will be a cold day in the north of the country, with temperatures around 8 degrees Celsius in Manchester. It gets better the further south we go. In Birmingham, it will feel quite warm, with maximum temperatures of 16 degrees Celsius, and in London it could get up to 20 degrees Celsius, which is very hot for this time of year. The skies over London will be clear and sunny with very few clouds. It might even feel a little humid. It will also be dry in Birmingham, but it will be a little cloudy at times too. But back up north, I'm afraid it's not going to be a very nice day. It will be very windy in Manchester, and those winds will bring a lot of rain. So, if you have to go out on this rainy day, don't forget your raincoat and umbrella. It will be very wet.
Okay, so Juan, tell me please, what words could you listen on this audio? Did you listen? Tell me, what words could you identify? Juan, I can't listen to you. Are you saying something? Now I can't see your picture. Okay. Angel, tell me please, what words did you listen on this audio?
Hot, rainy, hot and rainy.
Hot, rainy.
Windy, cloudy, and sunny. Sí, sunny. And warm.
Okay.
O sea, ¿cómo se pronuncia la que está abajo de sunny?
Under sunny, warm.
Warm. Creo que también escuché eso.
Okay. Katia, do you agree? You disagree? What do you think? Katia, microphone on, please. And tell me, did you listen any other?
No.
Okay, let's listen again so we can identify, okay?
I'm listening the word cold.
The weather.
Which one?
I'm listening the word cold.
Cold also, yes. That was the one I wanted you to check right now. That. Said cold also. Yes, cold was another one was mentioned here.
But warm, I don't know. I don't listen this word.
I never listened to warm. Okay, they talk about cold weather at the beginning. Yes. Okay. So let's check. I know this one doesn't have a checking part. Because it is something simple still. Okay, guys, good job. Let's continue. Number 4, it says, listen again. What is the weather going to be like in Manchester, Birmingham, and London? Okay, you need to identify exactly what is the type of weather we have in these different places. Let's start.
It will be a cold day in the north of the country, with temperatures around 8 degrees Celsius in Manchester. It gets better the further south we go. In Birmingham, it will feel quite warm with maximum temperatures of 16 degrees Celsius, and in London it could get up to 20 degrees Celsius, which is very hot for this time of year. The skies over London will be clear and sunny with very few clouds. It might even feel a little humid. It will also be dry in Birmingham, but it will be a little cloudy at times too. But back up north, I'm afraid it's not going to be a very nice day. It will be very windy in Manchester, and those winds will bring a lot of rain. So, if you have to go out on this rainy day, don't forget your raincoat and umbrella. It will be very wet.
Okay. So let's listen one more time, and remember, these are the words you need to complete with, so you have them already here. Okay, so you have the chance to do it a lot better with the audio. Okay, let's do it again.
It will be a cold day in the north of the country, with temperatures around 8 degrees Celsius in Manchester. It gets better the further south we go. In Birmingham, it will feel quite warm with maximum temperatures of 16 degrees Celsius, and in London it could get up to 20 degrees Celsius, which is very hot for this time of year. The skies over London will be clear and sunny with very few clouds. It might even feel a little humid. It will also be dry in Birmingham, but it will be a little cloudy at times too. But back up north, I'm afraid it's not going to be a very nice day. It will be very windy in Manchester, and those winds will bring a lot of rain. So, if you have to go out on this rainy day, don't forget your raincoat and umbrella. It will be very wet.
Okay, let's start answering. Justin Castillo, tell me please, what words do you have for the weather of the city Manchester?
I don't know.
From the words in here, let's listen so you can know, okay? Look at the words and listen to the audio. And tell me, how is the weather of this city going to be? It's the first one, okay?
It will be a cold day in the north of the country, with temperatures around degrees.
It will be a what? ¿Qué dijo Justin? It will be a what? What type of day?
Cold.
Cold. It will be a cold day. Well, better here. Okay, next one.
Celsius in Manchester. It gets better the further south we go. In Birmingham, it will feel quite warm with maximum temperatures of 16 degrees Celsius.
Okay. Emilia, what did you listen? What was the second word describing Birmingham? No, Emilia's having, do you have problems with your microphone today, right? Don't worry. Send me the answer to the chat box. Send me the answer to the chat box so I can see what was your idea.
And in London, it could get up to 20 degrees Celsius, which is very hot for this time of year. The skies over London will be clear and
Okay. Genesis, tell me please, one word that describes the weather of London.
One word or all the words?
Only one.
Okay, hot.
Hot will be one of the words to describe London. Let's go on.
maximum temperatures of 16 degrees Celsius, and in the country, with temperatures around 8 degrees Celsius in Manchester. It gets better the further south we go. In Birmingham, it will feel quite warm with maximum temperatures of 16 degrees.
Okay. Iker, tell me please, one word that describes the weather of Birmingham.
Windy.
Windy, are you sure? Let's listen again, okay?
In Birmingham, it will feel quite warm with
In Birmingham, it will feel quite, what's the word? Could you listen? Iker, pay a lot of attention, please.
south we go. In Birmingham, it will feel quite warm with maximum temperatures of 16 degrees Celsius.
Okay, so in Birmingham, it's quite with 16 degrees Celsius. So
Sunny.
tell me, sorry?
Sunny.
Sunny, not exactly. He says quite warm.
Warm.
Warm is the correct answer. Notice at the beginning he says, as the further north you are, it's going to be cold. And the ones on the south are going to be, the weather gets better, he says. Yeah, let's go.
And in London, it could get up to 20 degrees Celsius, which is very hot for this time of year. The skies over London with maximum temperatures of 16 degrees Celsius, and in London, it could get up to 20 degrees Celsius, which is very hot for this time of year. The skies over London will be clear and sunny with very...
Okay, the sky over London, Maeva, what is it?
Sunny.
Sunny. Sunny. Next one.
Very few clouds. It might even feel 20 degrees Celsius, which is very hot for this time of year. The skies over London will be clear and sunny with very few clouds. It might even feel a little humid. It will also be dry in Birmingham, but it will be a little...
Okay. Justin Jaramillo. In London, tell me one more word about London.
Repeat the listen, please.
Sorry?
Repeat the listen, please.
Sure.
Clear and sunny with very few clouds. It might even feel a little humid. It will also be dry in Birmingham.
Okay. So it will also be a little, what did he say?
Clear.
It might...
Let's do it one more time, okay?
The skies over London will be clear and sunny with very few clouds. It might even feel a little humid.
Okay, it might feel a little, what?
Humid. I will see. Humid.
Good. Justin, you go the next one, okay? Remember, we were listening to your classmate, okay? Yeah, let's put this in order, I guess. I think that's the correct way. Continue, please.
It will also be dry in Birmingham, but it...
In Birmingham will be? What did they say, Maria Jose? Are you there? Remember to have your camera on.
Right.
Sorry?
Dry.
Dry, very good. That's the next word. Let's continue.
Clouds. It might even feel a little humid. It will also be dry in Birmingham, but it will be a little cloudy at times too.
It's dry and at times. What happens at times in Birmingham? Genesis Toasa, tell me. What did he say about Birmingham at the end?
It will also be dry in Birmingham, but it will be a little cloudy at times too.
It's a little close.
Cloudy. It's a little cloudy at the end. Let's continue.
But back up north, I'm afraid it's not going to be a very nice day. It will be very windy in Manchester, and those winds will bring a lot of rain.
Okay, so Justin Jaramillo, tell me, what are the two words he mentioned for
Windy,
Manchester? Windy and
clear,
and
clear.
not exactly. Listen, it says
Not
windy,
going to be a very
and
nice
those
day.
winds.
It will be very windy in Manchester, and those winds will bring a lot of rain.
And those winds are going to
Rain,
bring
rain.
rain. So it will be rainy. Very good. Finally, clear is the correct word for here. Okay, all the answers are correct. Remember to copy the correct answers to your book, of course, the ones that have the book, and to your folder, the ones that don't have the folder. So thanks a lot. And we're gonna continue. Remember, today I have to receive 2 pages. Well, I hope we finish the next one, but yes, today I'm going to receive a little bit more of work because we have 2 classes, right? So I'm gonna receive page 4. Take the picture of page 4. And I'm also going to check page 5. In page 5, it's like, I hope we can finish it today. Good job, okay. Families. Well, this is very simple. Okay, we're going to continue next class, guys. Remember, I called immediately call, so we finish the class a little before, okay? Keep on working, keep on having the book. I will immediately call, okay? Bye.